As far as Tiger Reserve is concerned, the matter has been adjourned after 14th of August because the matter is likely to come up in the Supreme Court on 14th of August. That is what the tentative list or the computerized information which is there online is showing. So because of that, that matter is adjourned in the High Court. But there are two other aspects to the very same matter. One is about the settlement of records of right. 1 year time was granted by the High Court to complete that settlement of rights insofar as wildlife sanctuaries are concerned. It has gone ahead and it has reached some considerable stage, but it is not completed. So we have filed an application for extension of time to do that. That is one issue. Other issues are concerned, for example, having those camps in the wildlife sanctuaries. We have completed everything in that regard. We want to have more facilities there and more checks and balances there. We have informed the High Court as to what we are doing in addition to what was directed by the High Court. So that affidavit is also filed. That is how this matter has been adjourned after 14th of August.